So what's up mga brad, may nagpagawa po sa amin ng maliit na speaker box para po daw sa kaniyang multicav. Yan po ang kaniyang speaker, Pioneer po ang brand. At ito po ang kaniyang multicav, itatry po namin. At isa sound test po to natin ngayon mga brad. Yan po ang laman niya mga brad.
This is Mcv Cebu Box Maker. MCV. Basta speaker box ang isgutan, apa, dito ka na. This is Mcv Cebu Box Maker. Owned in Venice by Mr. Perry and Jolly Tabulong. Located at Sitio San Lucas, Barangay Piasong, Talisay City, Cebu. And also located at Barangay Guadalupe, Cebu. With contact number 0923-375-3232 or 0916-274-0287. This is Mcv Cebu Box Maker.
So ngayon ikakabit ko muna itong mga speaker nito mga brad para maka-sound test po tayo.
Just trying to stay in the game, make no mistakes along the way. And just when I think I got you figured out, you go and change the rules again. You don't like to lose, so you gotta cheat to win. It's like you pull me in just to push me out. Throw love bombs and watch me explode. You covertly raise me up, girl, just to break me down. Hold me tight, then gaslight me so you can let go. You keep playing games, girl, with my heart. And I'm constantly out here on the move. Just trying to stay in the game, make no mistakes along the way. And just when I think I got you figured out.
So ngayon tapos ko na naikabit yung mga speaker nito mga brad. So lagyan natin ng cover. Itong cover ko mga brad, DIY lang po yun. Yan. Binalot ko ng bubble cloth. Babalatan ko muna yung mga wire mga brad para maka-sound test po tayo. Yan, parallel lang po ang gamit ko niyan mga brad. Pahinaan lang natin kasi maliit yung pong speaker. Yung amplifier ko ay 5023 na Sakura. So maraming salamat po, napakinggan na po natin ang aming sound test. Maraming salamat po sa palagi niyong panonood sa aming video. God bless po tayong lahat. Bye bye.